Hey guys, back again. I'm just going to make this video extremely short and straight to the point. Um, since the time frame is so close, I'm referring to tomorrow, June 30th. I made a previous video stating that I thought I maybe there would be a dam collapse like the Oroville Dam or in California. Um, I'm not I'm not exactly sure, but I think there's going to be an earthquake and a tsunami, and it might be in South America. I'm going to say Ecuador, but I don't know. I might be totally off on this. Um, I'll explain if things happen, but it does have to do with the total solar eclipses, the connections, and the connection with the coming eclipse. Not not actually the one that's on 7/2, but the one that happened on 7/11, 2010. That was the last eclipse that hit Easter Island. Um, and it connects to 6:30. When I reverse the dates, I showed 9 years and 11 days. But um, yeah, I'm just going to put it out here and not explain because I'm kind of tired and we only have hours left until the next day. So, so yeah, I think this is going to be the kickoff event for more things to come. June 30th or maybe 7/1. I don't know, but I'm expecting something big. Uh, I'll be surprised if I'm wrong. I'll be surprised if I'm wrong, and it could be, but um, well, at least I'll be surprised on the date. But I do believe it's going to coincide with a water event, whether it's a dam collapse or an earthquake. Now I'm leaning towards South America in an earthquake, but it could be California too. I got connections to China. I don't know what's, but it has something to do with this as well. This is referring to a constellation. It's the Dog Star. That's Orion the Hunter, and it's Sirius. And in ancient Egypt, um, the rising of Sirius, the star, coincided with the flooding of the Nile. And so I believe that since the rising of Sirius is now coinciding with uh, the equator, which is around where Ecuador is at, and I have connections to the biggest earthquake in Ecuador, um, it could, you know, it could be that area. So I don't know. I can talk about it more if things happen, but I'll leave it at that and see what happens. All right. Take care, guys.